My name is Sanjay. I am from India. My age is 15. I am from Stain School, Coimbatore.
My name is Aditya. I am from India. My age is 16. I am studying in Staines, Coimbatore. Our idea is to set up a research station in the moon.
Our main objectives are in future we will be able to know how to adapt ourselves to the environment of the moon.
We would get a better exposure to know about the outer space from the moon than the earth.
Setting up of an observatory in the surface of the moon would help us to know about the moon's surface and its atmosphere.
We can examine whether plantation is possible in the soil of the moon.
Our first hypothesis is that we could create an observatory in the moon whose shape is of geohedral dome and its material is made up of glass fabric bricks which would sustain at any temperature. The observatory can be used to control a space telescope as the telescope would be able to observe accurately from the moon than from the earth. The observatory can also be used to store rocket fuels, gases, etc. to help scientists to travel to and fro from the earth to the moon and vice versa. The observatory can also provide us valuable information about the sun and also about its solar magnetism, solar flash, etc. It would also give us a clear insight about the moon's surface and also about its atmosphere.
Our next hypothesis is to examine the soil of the moon for plantation of crops. This can be proved by just a simple experiment. We can drill a pit where frozen water is detected. We can place a geodetic dome in the outer region of this pit. We can patch up or fill up the open area by applying soil, and we can enrich the soil by applying bacteria and manure which can be brought from the earth. You may ask, how are these possible without any equipment? Basically, we can create two chambers, one for oxygen and one for carbon dioxide. We can also attach conventional heaters and coolers. You may ask how photosynthesis is possible. The answer for this is here. You can attach floodlights which gets energy through solar panels which get charged through solar rays directly without any obstacle in the space. Once the floodlight is on, it acts as an artificial light. Now you may let out the carbon dioxide from the chamber and spread it all around the area. The tomb must be a closed area where it can be opened whenever it is necessary. This helps the plant to absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, as carbon dioxide is the main element necessary for photosynthesis, as light is already been supplied and water already been supplied through the underground frozen water. Now after 6 hours, switch off these appliances and you can, after 6 hours, now you may let out the oxygen to come out and fill over this area. Now, as soon as the whole area is filled up with oxygen, you may sustain the atmospheric temperature by using air coolers. And you can regulate the heat by using heaters, which can be charged through solar power directly without any obstacle in the space. Now, you may ask what type of crops can be grown. It's based upon Moon's two periodical classifications. One is the waxing and the another is waning, that is nothing but two classification of the size and the shape of the moon. This takes place between two sessions. First is the waxing. Waxing is nothing but enlargement of the new moon to the full moon. During this process, berries can be grown such as gooseberry and blackberry. During the first period of this season, you can grow plants which have seeds inside. And during the second period of this season, you can grow seeds which are supported outside the plant. Then this takes place during the month of March to July. Then the next period is waning, that is the reduction of the moon, full moon to new moon. This takes place during the month of September to December. During this season, you can grow root crops such as onions, potatoes, ginger, etc. After every 6 months, you can pluck out the harvested flowers and you can examine the soil. The speciality or the disadvantage of this experiment is that the dome should be always closed when not in use. We conclude our hypothesis by saying this implementation of this project will have a massive impact in the nearing future to observe the outer space and the surface of the moon and the atmosphere of the moon. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.